Hello everybody, my name is Luis David Arreta Montiel. I am a student of English of University Secar. Well, today I am going to talk about a very important topic, the use of the TIC, TCI. Well, the new century has brought many benefits for humanity. Focusing on the technological field, there have been many improvements that this has brought to the improvement of human life. Along with this, there are many advances that have been created with and meet human needs. Well, technology in education has been a very significant and improved contribution. Since this has allowed the creation of very improved methodology, leaving aside that traditional methodologies. The video shows the implementation of the TIC in education field, manipulation that many teachers ask students, daring to change the traditional, further innovate, giving a step to new experience that can guarantee excellent learning, that excellent results, and making activity motivation. Well, the use of TCI TICs with its endless strategic and improve in the process that allow the first help to create more dynamic and motivational activities for the learning process, the manipulation of equipment by student, teacher, telephones, computers, reading, etc. Well, the third is invest in innovation methodologic living inside the traditional. The other is they are preparing youth educational elements for the development of activities in this classroom. Allows the acquisition of digital and audiovisual terminology. It's very important in this classroom to talk about terminology, audiovisual, acquisition of digital, and the other things. Well, thank you. Goodbye.